Most people know that the value of pi is 3 and a bit, but it's this bit which is precisely the difficult bit to remember for most of us. Of course, there are some people who remember it quite well. The world record at the moment for repeating the decimal places of pi is 67,890 decimal places, which is maybe a few more than the average person needs. But nevertheless, being able to remember it to a few decimal places would be nice. So here's a little trick to help you remember the value of pi to 6 decimal places. The next time you find yourself saying, "How I wish I could calculate pi," write down the number of letters in each word. 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 2. And that, curiously enough, is the value of pi to 6 decimal places. Easy as pie.